Hello and welcome to Algebra 1, Chapter 2.4, and today we're discussing solving multi-step equations. One thing I really want you to remember about solving multi-step equations is that a good order to do them in, this isn't the order they have to be done in, but a great order to do them in is to undo the order of operations backwards. So your order of operations, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally or PIMDAS. Okay, and I write it like that because you have multiplication come together, multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction, is that I want to undo these operations working backwards. So I'm going to first undo any addition and subtraction, and then I'm going to undo any multiplication and division. So let me show you what that looks like. 5q minus 13 equals 37. So again, if I write my order of operations, is I want to start with undoing addition and subtraction. So if I undo this minus 13, I'm going to add 13 because it's negative. I'm going to get 5q equals 50. And then I'm going to undo the multiplication and division by dividing by 5 to get rid of that times 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Q equals 10. Okay, and then we're going to check these just like our checks before. These will have a few more steps to them. So we're going to do 5 times 10 minus 13 equals 37. Okay, so all I did was write the 10 in there, and then I want you to show each step. So one step at a time, you would first multiply. So now I'm doing the order of operations, and then I would subtract, okay, making sure that both sides equal each other. There we go. All right, so moving on to s divided by 12 minus 9 equals negative 11. First, you're going to undo addition and subtraction, so we're going to add 9 and get s divided by 12 equals negative 2. And then undo the division by multiplying, so times 12 so that those 12s cancel. S equals negative 24. There's my answer. And my check is going to be negative 24 divided by 12 minus 9 equals negative 11. Following your order of operations, you would divide before you subtract. So that's negative 2 minus 9. All right. And negative 2 minus 9 is negative 11. There we go. Okay, we're going to look at 3 more examples. These first two, very similar. In fact, what I want you to do now is I want you to pause the video, and I want you to work through the first 2 examples, leave the k minus 12 all divided by 5 for us to do together. So go ahead and pause the video. Alright, so I've worked out the first 2, and hopefully you've gotten the same answers. What I want you to do, I did not show my checks. I do require you to show your checks on those first 2, so make sure you also have done that. But let's look at this third example here. K minus 12 divided by 5 equals 4. Here's the deal, as we're not going to do it exactly how we did the previous ones. I'm not going to undo the minus 12 first because it is grouped. Remember, a fraction bar is a grouping symbol. So this top part here is grouped, and I need to get to that group so that I can get rid of the 12. So to get to the group, I need to undo the divided by 5. So in this one, you actually start by multiplying each side by 5. So the 5's reduced to 1's there. That gets you k minus 12 equals 20. So that gets you to that group. Once the fraction bar is gone, it's not grouped anymore. And so now we can finish this. If I add 12 to both sides, k equals 32. And to show you what that check would look like, remember you're doing checks for the other ones, 32 minus 12 over 5. All right, 32 minus 12 is 20. Remember, we just work straight down. 20 divided by 5 is 4, so that one checks. All right, that's all I want you to do for today. Let me know if you have any questions. If not, have a great day.